Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today, you and I together are making sesame crusted salmon. It's delicious. Here's what you're going to need. Salmon, olive oil, sesame seeds, either black, white, or a combination of both will do, garlic, ginger, and a squeeze of fresh citrus. We're going to generously coat each piece of salmon with olive oil. We're going to rub that in. And then take garlic and just put it on top. The garlic, of course, can be the chopped one already, or it can be pureed. Last but not least, some sesame seeds. And I almost forgot my ginger. So last but not least would be ginger. This is ginger root. You can buy ginger the same as you can buy the garlic, already pureed or pre-chopped. However, I bought this in the root form. I put it in the freezer so it will grate with a little microplane or a little cheese grater. And you can just grate some fresh ginger right on top of the salmon. Just like so. Fresh squeeze of citrus, lemon or lime. I like to do a little bit of both, actually. And salt. Tiny bit of pepper to taste. And we're going to bake this in the oven at 450 for about 10 minutes. When your fish comes out of the oven and not before, don't forget to accessorize with fresh parsley and or cilantro. If salmon is new to you, you might want to add a little bit of Dijon mustard mixed with horseradish to get used to the taste. It's so good for you. I'm still working on getting used to it. And just like that, dinner's ready.